So I want to run you through how to use Grammarly online because I've recommended it to quite a few students and it seems that no one's taking up the offer to use it. It is free to use and will correct a lot of minor errors that you're making, and the more you use it the better it will get because it learns from your errors. And so let's go through how to use it. If you go to app.grammarly.com and then you can sign up with either if we go to login, you can sign up with either your Facebook, a Google account, or an email address. So I've already signed up, so I'm just going to log in. And there's a few things that you should be made aware of. There is an extension for Chrome. So if you're typing Microsoft Word documents online, or if you're typing on Facebook, or if you're typing on a website, the Grammarly extension on Chrome will actually correct your spelling online. It won't work for Google Docs, is the only thing that it won't work for. Now the other thing is you can actually install it for free to work with Microsoft Office and with Windows in general for Outlook and for other applications. To correct your spelling on emails, to correct your spelling in any Office documents, so whether that's Word, Excel, PowerPoint. So I would suggest that you install those, they're free. Obviously the premium service is here if you do want to pay for it, but I do use Grammarly when I'm doing my work for my masters, and I just use the free version to kind of check over things as a starting point, and then I'll go through and proofread things. So you can go through and do the premium choice if you want, but you can just use the free one as well. So if you come here to My Grammarly and then go to New Document, and I'm just going to paste some text from an assignment from a past student, and just show you some of the things that it does. So it's probably not going to pick up all of the errors in this document, but it will pick up quite a lot of them. So it says that there are 25 critical issues down the bottom here and 5 advanced issues, which it won't actually rectify for you unless you upgrade. So some of the things here, so it's corrected the spelling, it's put a space in between 2 words, it's taken the space away from a word, it's hyphenated a word, it's corrected the spelling and the hyphenation here, it's put in a full stop after an abbreviation. So it's just a little bit more advanced than Microsoft Word, and the more time that you use it, see it's now starting to update and it's starting to recognize more and more errors as I go through. So we're up to 61 issues here, down to things like it's missing an article, so it's missing the. Some things it will get wrong. It's not perfect, but it does actually pick up on a lot of things that I don't think people would pick up on in a proofread, and that is things like extra spaces. So what it's correcting there is there's actually 2 spaces there instead of 1, but a whole bunch of things that could actually get you started that are a little bit more advanced than Microsoft Word. So you copy from your document, you paste it in here, and you go over and check it, and once you've checked it all, you just select it all again and bring it back into Microsoft Word. Or you can actually download a copy of it once you've actually corrected everything, and it'll download it as a text file and you can just copy and paste it from there. So you won't be able to convert it from a Microsoft Word document here, but if you've actually got the app installed in Microsoft Word, it will actually appear up here in the bar and you'll be able to go through and use Grammarly inside Microsoft Word. So those are 2 different ways that you can use it. And I recommend that you start using it as you're proofreading a document. When you finish, go back and read over what you've written and take some time. It should only take you 10 to 15 minutes even just to read through. It should take you about sort of 10 to 15 minutes per 1,000 words because you know your own work and you should be able to read it quite quickly. That's it for today. That's just using Grammarly. Like I said, you can either just use the online application, you can download the application for Microsoft Word or Microsoft Office, and you can also add it on to Google Chrome as well. Thanks.